Morning students, welcome to geography class again. And yes students, today we will learn about the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon. We are learning about the second season of Indian climate now, that is the monsoon or the rainy season. Monsoon mechanism. Already we have learned the reason for the origin of the monsoon, no? A seasonal wind originating from the water body, that is Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, and then these winds are reaching to India and shedding moisture on land. So this is the reason for the summer monsoon or the southwest monsoon. Okay, so we will learn about the, first of all, Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon. The Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon strikes the western coast of India in Kerala on 1st June. It gives very heavy rainfall along the windward side of the Western Ghats, as these winds are unable to cross over Western Ghats. We know. Okay, Western Ghats, a chain of mountain from Gujarat to what we get Tamil Nadu. Okay, that Karnataka, you know. Okay, Western Ghats, please remember. And so the southwest monsoon or the monsoon season start by 1st June, no? And Kerala receives the rainfall first. This rainfall is called orographic or relief rainfall. In class 9 we have learned about the three types of rainfall: orographic or relief rainfall, cyclonic. We know that one. Okay, so please remember here the orographic rainfall, conventional rainfall is the third one. Orographic, conventional, and the third one is, okay, please remember, cyclonic. Okay, so this rainfall means southwest monsoon is called orographic rainfall or relief rainfall because of the presence of the Western Ghats. The Deccan Plateau lies in the rain shadow of Western Ghats, receives very little rainfall. What is the difference between rain shadow? We have learned no windward side and the leeward side. We have learned no windward side and the leeward side. Please remember. Okay, in class 9, windward side of a mountain and the leeward side of a mountain, and in these two sides, windward side of the mountain receives more rainfall than the leeward side. Okay, here, for example, Mahabaleshwar, situated on the western side of Western Ghats, receives 250 centimeters rainfall, whereas Pune, only a few kilometers away, receives less than 70 centimeters of rainfall in 1 year because of the two sides of the Western Ghats, windward side and the leeward side. And the duration and the amount of rainfall goes on decreasing as Arabian Sea branch moves northward. Okay, it takes about 4 to 6 weeks to travel from Kanyakumari to Shivalik's hill. Okay, and the Arabian Sea branch gives very little rainfall to Rajasthan because Rajasthan, we know that the part of the great Indian desert, third desert. Why it is so? Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon gives very less rainfall to Rajasthan due to the following reason. What are the two reasons? The Aravalli's alignment is parallel to rain-bearing southwest monsoon, Aravalli mountain in Rajasthan, and its alignment, and as such they do not offer any obstruction. Furthermore, these hills are very low also. Okay, so it is not able to prevent the moisture bearing wind. That is the reason. The moisture-laden winds passing over Rajasthan do not saturate as the heat in the desert region increases their capacity to hold moisture. Thus, they reach the Shivaliks without shedding their moisture. The two reason, no, there are the two reason why Rajasthan is getting very less rainfall from the southwest monsoon. One is from the heat from the desert, okay, that increase the capacity of the wind to hold more moisture, and the Aravalli's alignment. Okay, please remember these two reasons. The total volume of Arabian Sea branch is much more powerful, as much as 3 times greater than the Bay of Bengal branch due to the reason. Please remember, southwest monsoon has two branches. It means one wind is originating from the Arabian Sea and the second one is originating from the Bay of Bengal in the month of June, July, August, September. And the Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon is very large, greater than the Bay of Bengal branch, because the Arabian Sea branch is much larger than the Bay of Bengal branch. Arabian Sea branch. The whole of the Arabian Sea branch is used up by the entire country, whereas only part of its enters a small part, India through southeast India. The rest goes towards Myanmar and Thailand. That is the Arabian Sea Bay of Bengal branch. Okay, Bay of Bengal branches. Once again, it is about the southwest monsoon, a wind, a seasonal wind, and that wind is coming to India and shedding or giving rainfall. Southwest monsoon, it is a time of southwest monsoon, no? Okay, June, July, August, September is the time of the southwest monsoon. And these monsoons have, wind has two branches. Please remember the two branches of the southwest monsoon. Okay, then the Bay of Bengal branch I will just teach on next video. So, dear students, textbook is available in the Dardaya office. Okay, textbooks are available. I mean, geography also, history also. So, please purchase the textbook and revise the lesson. Okay, school office is open on every day from 9:30 to 12:30. In between these two time, you can go and purchase the textbook and some other books also regarding geography and history. So please purchase the books and revise. Okay, and in the next video I will explain the Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon. So what is southwest monsoon? Okay, please revise. Okay, we will continue, and thank you.